Chip and the chick. Chip has a chick. The chick is rich. They sit on a bench. Chip and the chick munch on lunch. Chip and the chick chat and cheer.
Sheila's shells. Sheila has shells. The shells are shiny. Sheila shares the shells. A fish swims to the shells. Sheila and the fish shine with the shells.
Theo's thin thread. Theo has a thin thread. The thread is red. Theo threads the needle. He makes a red cloth. Theo and the cloth thank the thread. Wit and the whale. Wit has a wish. He wants to see a whale. Wit waits on the shore. A whale jumps out of the water. Wit and the whale wave at each other.
Ling Song. Ling likes to sing. She sings a long song. A ring falls from the sky. Ling picks up the ring. Ling and the ring sing the song. Pam and the jam. Pam has jam. Pam has a pan. She puts the jam in the pan. The jam is red. Pam and her dad eat the jam.
Meg and the red pen. Meg has a pen. The pen is red. Meg writes with the pen. She writes a letter. Meg and her friend read the letter.
Jim and the pin. Jim has a pin. The pin is thin. Jim puts the pin in a tin. The tin is big. Jim and his sister spin the tin. Tom and the log. Tom has a dog. The dog is on a log. The log is in a bog. Tom calls the dog. Tom and the dog jog from the bog.
Gus and the cup. Gus has a cup. The cup is fun. Gus runs with the cup. He fills it up. Gus and his pup sip from the cup.